I'm so glad to celebrate the birth of Christ with you all week long here on Changing Your World. You know, God has given you everything you'll ever need to succeed in life. There's no reason for you to feel powerless anymore. The Word says His grace is sufficient for you. It's the power that overcomes evil, that sets you free from bondage, and that causes you to excel even in the face of difficulty, and that's undeserved. Hallelujah. You know, one of the ways that we walk in that grace is by renewing our thoughts and meditating on His Word. Be proactive about your breakthrough. Think of yourself as an overcomer. See yourself as a victor. I'll show you how right now as we dive into today's message.